Modern warfare is changing rapidly, and drones are no longer seen as single-purpose machines. The MQM-172 Arrowhead, developed by American company Griffon Aerospace, is a vivid example of this transformation. This multifunctional drone combines two essential capabilities. It serves as a realistic target for air defense training and, when needed, transforms into a strike-capable loitering munition. Such flexibility makes it an important tool for militaries seeking affordable and adaptable solutions. The development of the Arrowhead was driven by the growing threat of Iranian Shahed-136 kamikaze drones, which are widely used by Russia in its war against Ukraine. These drones have demonstrated how low-cost, mass-produced systems can cause significant damage. To counter this challenge, the United States and its allies required a platform that could provide realistic training for air defense crews while also being capable of direct combat use. The MQM-172 fulfills both requirements in one system, reducing expenses and increasing operational efficiency. The Arrowhead has a delta wing design closely resembling the Shahed-136, enabling air defense units to train against a target that mimics the real threat. It features a modular structure and can carry up to 45 kilograms of payload, allowing it to be equipped with sensors, electronic reconnaissance equipment, or explosive warheads. The drone is launched using a catapult or mobile platform, which ensures fast deployment even in challenging conditions. Griffon Aerospace has already produced more than 12,000 drones for various missions, giving this project a solid industrial foundation and making it suitable for mass production without long delays. In its basic configuration, the MQM-172 operates as a target drone, making training sessions as close to real combat as possible. However, with a quick payload change, it can be turned into a strike platform and used as a kamikaze drone against enemy positions. This dual-role functionality sets it apart from many existing systems, including the Shahed-136, which is designed for a single purpose only. Compared to other American projects like the low-cost uncrewed combat attack system, the Arrowhead offers greater modularity and practical readiness for combat scenarios. Its combination of affordability, flexibility and ease of production makes it attractive for U.S. allies exposed to Shahed-type drone attacks.